Woodpeckers 12 and 18-inch precision triangles combine the ease of use of a carpenter square with the size and precision necessary for custom cabinetry and fine furniture making. With the two most common angles used in woodworking, now you have a precision layout tool you can use when laying out larger projects. The base gives you a shoulder to reference the workpiece edge. Just hook it and make your mark. And it acts as a foot when checking a vertical assembly for square. Its long reference surface also gives you confidence when setting up equipment. And when you want the precision triangle to lie perfectly flat, the base comes off in seconds, leaving your hands free to adjust your equipment. We mill each precision triangle from cast and ground tool plate aluminum, the most dimensionally stable aluminum available. We hold the precision triangles to the same rigorous standards used for our popular precision woodworking squares, and verify the machining accuracy with our state-of-the-art optical video inspection system. Each triangle is held within plus or minus 0.0085 degrees, and that's about half the thickness of a human hair at the extreme end of the 18-inch triangle. And we engrave the bright white scales within a tolerance of 0.04 of an inch total accumulated air over the length of the tool. You can buy the precision triangles separately or as a set. They're available in both inch and metric graduations, and you have the option to order it with or without our laser engraved MDF case. This former one-time tool is now part of our permanent product lineup, and like all Woodpeckers products, we make them right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Supersize your carpenter square with Woodpeckers precision triangles. Order yours today.